Hi guys, good morning. It's morning over here, guys. So I want to brush Chikoziri. Are you ready to brush your teeth? Yeah. My other two have left for school, so it's just me and Chikoziri. So I want to brush his teeth. He just woke up from sleep, so I want to brush his teeth so he will eat, and then we'll proceed to our other chores, the other activities of today. So finally, guys, school has resumed. Glory be to God. So guys, for those of you that are always on my live streaming, you know how I've been longing for this school opening. Like, this school should resume. I want to have my own space, you know, at least for that 4 to 5 hours, you know. So finally, school has resumed. My kids have gone to school, so it's just me and my younger child. So we are having our space. Everywhere is containing us. So guys, at least I will have some time to, you know, to do my filming, to cook. Like, the noise will lessen, but I pray and I hope I finish on time before they come back. If not, Nagba's goes. So today I'll be cooking, cleaning, and some other house chores. Okay, so I'm gonna be making jollof rice. So I'll be making use of red meat today. You know, I've seen some comments asking, don't eat beef, you always eating chicken all the time. And you guys forgot that chicken is even more healthier than red meat. Yes, quote me wrong in the comment section, but then I'll be using red meat today for my jollof rice. So enough for that ado, come on, let's start cooking.
Moms through day and night, heartfelt voices share their light, showing paths to live so bright. In the morning, rise and shine. There's a way.
I'm trying to get the beef because I have some bone here, so I think these ones are okay.
Hi guys, my eggs. Ta-da! I want my eggs. Bye guys, I'm going to eat it. Hi guys, Ma, today I have to go to school.
Support that grows. Each new day a chance to borrow strength and hope for tomorrow. I'm on a star guiding true and clear. For every mom there's hope and cheer. Little moments big and small. I'm on a lifestyle's got it all.
So this is our tomato, red bell pepper, and onion. for our jollof rice, guys. We are making smoky patty jollof rice, guys. So lovelies, at this point I didn't know that my phone has stopped filming. Like, it was showing recording. It was showing recording because I used to monitor my phone each time I'm filming. When I check, it was filming, like the play button was still on. But the time I came to edit this video, guys, I did not see the cooking process. What I saw was the cleaning process. I was like, what happened? Guys, at this point I was so devastated. Like, how? I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so sorry that I couldn't capture, or my phone couldn't capture the time I was cooking. So here I was cleaning and I was done with every other thing. So here jollof rice is ready. It tasted so yummy and delicious. Thank you guys for watching. Please bear with me. Don't forget to like this video. If you haven't subscribed, please do well to subscribe for more interesting videos.